In a bold demonstration of technological synergy, Turkish defense firms Baykar and state-owned MKE unveiled a new era of naval warfare by successfully coordinating air and sea-based unmanned strikes from the amphibious assault vessel TCG Anadolu. The trial marked the first operational pairing of Baykar's TB3 unmanned aerial system with MKE's PIRANA kamikaze maritime drone, redefining how naval firepower can be delivered and controlled across domains. This coordinated strike scenario highlighted Türkiye's rapidly evolving defense innovation. The TB3 drone, launched from the Anadolu's flight deck, served as an airborne control node, directing the PIRANA unmanned surface vehicle as it surged toward a maritime target. Video documentation revealed the PIRANA achieving a direct hit on a 3-meter-wide objective, demonstrating not only its onboard guidance accuracy but also the seamless relay of commands via the UAV, a feat signaling major advances in remote multi-domain synchronization. The operation also showcased the amphibious assault ship's capacity to act as a launch base for various unmanned platforms. Alongside the drone strike, the ship deployed amphibious craft from its dock, emphasizing its role as a central hub for joint unmanned missions at sea. This layered operational structure suggests Türkiye is preparing for conflict environments where unmanned systems work in tandem to overwhelm adversaries through speed, range, and reduced risk to personnel. Years of dedicated development underpinned this demonstration. Baykar's TB3, tailored for shipborne missions with extended operational reach, is engineered for persistent surveillance and control. Simultaneously, the PIRANA vessel, after enduring rigorous sea trials including obstacle navigation and collision avoidance, has proven its stealth, maneuverability, and lethal precision. Unlike other global naval powers that field isolated drone assets, Türkiye's approach integrates air and sea drones under a unified command structure from a single maritime platform. This innovation moves beyond the experimental nature of programs like the U.S. Navy's Sea Hunter or Britain's autonomous UAV initiatives. By establishing a synchronized control framework, Türkiye has taken a leap toward real-world deployment of autonomous naval strike packages capable of executing coordinated, layered attacks. Strategically, the implications extend well beyond the test site. With the Eastern Mediterranean and Black Sea increasingly central to NATO's maritime concerns, Türkiye's ability to field such integrated systems enhances both its national security and alliance contributions. These technologies extend the strike radius of surface fleets, offer rapid response capabilities in contested zones, and reduce dependency on manned missions in high-risk environments. TCG Anadolu now emerges as a prototype for future naval command centers built around unmanned combat ecosystems. By pairing UAVs with loitering kamikaze vessels under one umbrella, the Turkish Navy could eventually field swarming tactics and distributed autonomous operations from sea-based platforms. This capability enhances deterrence, supports coastal defense, and positions Türkiye as a leader in maritime drone warfare. This trial is not just a milestone in national defense, it is a signal of Türkiye's intent to shape future naval combat. As drone warfare accelerates globally, Ankara is ensuring its navy remains agile, high-tech, and forward-looking in an era where human-machine teaming becomes the new standard for maritime dominance.